สบายดีทุกคนวันนี้ข้าพเจ้าคำนาสิมาสัมภาษณ์คนต่างประเทศอยู่ที่บุญทรงเฮืออยู่ท่าประจันแต่เป็นยังไงพวกเขาติดตามไปนำกันได้เลย Let's go Excuse me Can I talk to you What's your name
Glenn, what's yours?
Glenn Water And where are you from
Australia.
Austria Wow And how long has you been in Laos
2-3 weeks.
3 weeks
Yeah, very nice.
Very
I
nice?
enjoy. Yeah,
How do you think about Lao people
lovely.
Lovely.
Yes, very lovely. Very honest, shy, nice people. Yeah.
Yes, I have many friends who from Australia.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They are the teacher. They teach English in Laos.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
Very nice. Yes.
And how? This is the first time for you to travel in the Boraxing Festival.
This festival, yes, my first time I've seen this. My first time in Laos.
How is it?
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
A lot of fun.
A lot of happy people. It's nice to see. Happy children, happy parents. Nice. Good fun. Yeah.
And how many places in Vientiane capital that you travel?
Repeat.
How many places in around here that you travel?
Van Vieng and Luang Prabang.
Luang Prabang.
Yeah, that's all.
Luang Prabang is my hometown.
Oh, lovely. Nice town. Yes, beautiful river.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wish it was like that here.
They have many old temples in Luang Prabang. And have the waterfall. It is.
The Kangsi, very nice. Yes, I went there. Yes, beautiful. Yeah.
And how do you think about the weather in Laos?
Hot.
Hot.
The afternoons are hot.
Hot.
Very hot. So hot you can't come out.
It's different from Australia.
Yes, because high humidity. We have hot, but not every afternoon like this. It's very intense heat in Laos in the afternoon. Very intense.
Yes, now it's very hot. Yes,
Yeah.
Okay, today I have you. I'm so proud that I have opportunity to interview you. Yeah, I hope you had a good day in Laos. Thank you so much for today.
Thanks for having me in Laos.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it.
ขอบใจสบายดี Yeah